Are you facing this error on your Windows computer? Do not worry, as we've got solution for you in this video. Now, a simple Windows update is enough to solve many problems. So you can do it by opening Settings, click Windows Update, click on Check for Updates. Finally, you have to click on Download and Install All to finish the installation for your new software. Once done, check and see if the error persists. Next, one of the many ways to restart your Windows PC is recommended for troubleshooting. It is also one of the easiest ways to get rid of strange Windows glitches. Another method to try is to check for your USB stick. You need to see if it is plugged into your USB slot properly. Or, you can also take it out and insert it into an alternative slot. Lastly, run the Hardware and Device Windows Troubleshooter. To do so, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, and this will launch a Hardware and Devices dialog box for you. Now from there, select Next, and then the software will start scanning your Windows for problems. Now as soon as it finds the error, the tool will fix it right then and there. Now you have to check and see if the Windows error is still present. So that's how you can fix the following Windows error code in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.